Welcome back to Traveler's Place. Today we're flying over Colombia, a country that dances between the Pacific and the Caribbean, where jungles breathe life and cities hum with color and rhythm. We're taking that energy to the skies, or rather, the skies and the water, because this adventure is all about exploring Colombia on a flying boat. It's not just travel, it's flight, splash, and pure wonder rolled into one. The moment you step onto that seaplane, you can already feel the mix of thrill and calm. The sound of the propellers vibrates through the water as if the ocean itself is cheering you on. There's something almost magical about flying boats. One moment they glide smoothly across the waves. The next, they rise effortlessly above them. It's a mix of plane, boat, and dream. And when you're above the Colombian coast, it's easy to lose track of where water ends and sky begins. Some say these planes give the purest sense of travel because you're not just watching the world go by, you're part of its rhythm. Each flight feels like it's rewriting time, connecting the ancient and the modern, making every traveler feel like an explorer. From above, Colombia paints itself in strokes of green, blue, and deep gold. You see winding rivers cutting through thick forests, Andean peaks piercing the clouds, and vivid towns glowing under the tropical sun. Even the shadows of the mountains seem alive, stretching toward the horizon like they're telling their own stories. It's humbling, reminding you that Colombia's beauty isn't just surface level. It's layered with history, spirit, and resilience. And as the flying boat dips back toward the water, you can't help feeling that this trip isn't just about views. It's about connection. The colors, the people, the sounds. Everything here seems to flow together naturally, like a song that never ends. Colombia invites you not just to see it, but to feel it in the warmth of its culture, the flavors of its food, and the openness of its people. So if you ever dreamed of an adventure that lifts you off the ground while keeping you close to the soul of a country, this is it. Flying through Colombia isn't a journey. It's a love letter to discovery itself. Thanks for joining Traveler's Place on this special trip. If you love discovering Colombia with us, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future adventures. Hit like if you learned something new and drop a comment below. Let us know what country or city you'd love to explore next. See you next time, and until then, keep traveling.